This is how you can make pav bhaji, but we are making something different. We are making pav and we are putting all the masalas inside. These are called masala pav. Now you have to put some extra sorted onions. What we have put is pure butter, Amul butter. Then we have put onion. Then some masala we have put, pavbhaji masala. Preparation time is 2.5 minutes. Now some onion as per your choice, salt as per your choice. Half teaspoon is okay. This way you have to do it for 1 or 2 minutes. This is pav bhaji masala we have put. And you can also put some pav bhaji also inside, so that it will be thick when you spread on the pav. Look, here goes some bhaji. This is a very simple way, and you can also eat it like in the afternoon. You can eat it as a lunch also. Now we are putting bun. We are putting ghee on it. The bun you can put it for 3 to 4 or 2 minutes. It will be very crispy. Okay. Now the process is this: you have to take it in another plate like this. Look, now what we are doing is we are just putting it here, spreading it like this, and the taste is so nice, you are going to enjoy it. So you should try it at home. And if you eat two, I definitely tell you, your stomach will be full. Now look, this is ready.